To add a Coinbase address to your Coinbase wallet, start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have opened the app, tap on the settings icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Then select the option to add a new account. This will prompt you to choose the type of account you want to add. In this case, select Coinbase. You will then be required to sign in to your Coinbase account using your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will also need to enter the verification code sent to your phone or email. After signing in, you will be asked to select the Coinbase account you want to link to your wallet. Choose the account and then confirm the linking process. Once your Coinbase account is linked, you can view your Coinbase address by going to the Receive tab in your wallet. Here you will see your unique Coinbase address that you can use to receive cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account. To add a specific Coinbase address to your wallet, go to the Accounts tab, select the account you just linked, and then tap on the Receive button. Here you will see a list of all your Coinbase addresses. Select the one you want to add and then tap on the Add Address button. It is essential to note that you should only add addresses that you trust and own, as adding a wrong address can result in loss of funds. Also, make sure to keep your wallet and Coinbase account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can easily add a Coinbase address to your Coinbase wallet and start receiving cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account.